Are you ready to transform your kitchen into a professional bakery? You can achieve professional results right in your own home. The P134A Evolution is designed for those who won't take compromises when it comes to big leavened products and pastries. So, watch this video and elevate your baking skills to the next level. Let's start with the external dimensions. 53 by 60 by 37.5 centimeters. This allows to save some space, making it compact and suitable for any kitchen. With a weight of only 27 kilograms, the oven can be moved easily, making it very convenient and versatile to different kinds of situations. The oven is made of stainless steel, a material that can provide durability and exceptional resistance to corrosion. The door has 3 glasses, so it remains cool even when the oven reaches high temperatures. The dimensions of the inner chamber are 35 by 40 by 20 centimeters, and the power output is 2.8 kilowatts. The Evolution display gives you all the control you need. Each cooking step is reported by an acoustic signal, allowing you to monitor the progress and to have full control over the cooking process. If you want to customize your cooking, you can easily set the temperature and the power of the heating elements based on what you need. And if you don't want to waste your time adjusting each setting manually, the preset programs are there for you. Just press play and be amazed by the results. With a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Celsius and customized heating elements, the cooking chamber is perfect for high leavened products such as panettone. The extreme accuracy of the temperature management is the soul of this oven. As you know, in pastry baking, every degree counts. And the P134A allows you to maintain the same temperature over time, so you will get flawless results. The Evolution technology automatically adjusts the power of the oven according to your needs, ensuring maximum performance and a minimal energy consumption. It's also optimal for baking bread, croissants, and Colomba, ensuring great results even with the hardest recipes. Last but not least, you can also cook focaccias and traditional Roman or tray pizzas. To sum up, the P134A Evolution is a powerful and precise oven, designed to guarantee you the highest baking quality for big leavened products. Thanks to the Evolution technology, you can achieve professional results right in your own kitchen. So, when you're ready to take this challenge, write to the email address below, and we'll be happy to give you more information about this and the other ovens.